Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about how to make IGNOU assignments. If you are a IGNOU student, you can't skip assignments because your assignment marks play important role in final exam marks, because term and assignments have weightage of 30% on your grade card, and a lot of students don't know how to do assignments. So before preparing your assignment, watch this video till the end. You will get to know all the tips and tricks to score 90 plus marks in your assignments work. And subscribe this channel to get more useful content. This video will be very helpful for new IGNOU students, and if you are not new student, this video is important for you also. You can compare your previous year assignment marks with this year assignment marks, which you will prepare after knowing these methods. So let's start. Firstly, you need to download your assignment question paper. You can download it from IGNOU's official website like this. Simply type IGNOU. This is the official website of IGNOU. Click on downloads. Now click on assignments. Select your program and now choose your program code. For example, BSc CBCS, and now choose your course code and simply download it. And I have given direct link of official website for assignment in the description box. Simply click on that link and download your assignments. And now we will discuss about front page. The first page of the assignment is very important because the front page is the first thing your evaluator will see when they open your assignment. You can download your front page from Google. Simply go on Google and search IGNOU assignment front page. Click on images. You will get many options. Download any of them. And just need to remember one thing, that your first page must contain all your information, your full information, like name, enrollment number, address, name of program, name of course, your program code and course code, study center and code, regional center, phone number, email ID. And many study center also provide a format for front page. You can contact to your study center also. And now we will discuss how to prepare your assignment to score 90 plus marks. First of all, read the instruction which is given on the assignment question paper. And now start. First thing, you should use A4 size blank sheets or ruled sheets of A4 size, or you can also use one side ruled project paper. And second is, draw margin with pencil and write question in black and answer with blue pen. You really don't need to decorate your assignments. Don't do this. Before start writing, go through the questions and try to find the answers in the textbook, but don't copy paste the exact same sentences from book. Try to write it in your own words. Try to understand the concept. This helps in final exams also. Write your assignments as neatly as possible. Your handwriting should be understandable. You can use online resources to get a better understanding of the topic. Leave some space before writing next question, or you can start next question from fresh page. In a long or essay type answer, must include introduction and conclusion in your answers. And always check required word limit for the particular question and stick to the word limit. Must include diagrams, flowcharts, tables. These things help you to get extra marks. Use bullet points, heading and subheading rather than writing in long paragraphs. Always highlight important points or lines. Insert page number and mention the total page number on the cover page. It is very important. arrange your documents properly, like firstly a front page, then your ID card, the xerox of your ID card, and then question paper. Staple your sheets carefully to avoid the situation of misplaced by officials. Submit your assignments in paper files. IGNOU does not permit the use of plastic files. And most important of all, submit your assignment before last date. So always remember last date. And don't forget to take acknowledgement receipt while submitting your assignments, and keep it safe. If you'll follow these methods, you will definitely score 90 plus marks in your assignment. So good luck for your assignment work, and I hope you found this video helpful. Then press the like button. Thank you for watching.